You're the owner of a bed and breakfast, and you've got a problem. You're not getting the online reviews and referrals that reflect all the great things your guests are saying about you in person. They love your rooms. They love your lemonade in summer, your sleigh rides in winter, and your cranberry scones all year round. In fact, people think your B&B is transcendent. But how do you generate more reviews? And what do you do if someone leaves you a lousy one? Hey, we're all human. It happens. Some people are allergic to cranberries. The whole thing can be scary, but it doesn't have to be. Not with a software solution that improves your relationship with your guests, ignites great word of mouth, and helps your business market itself. It's easy to implement, it's easy to use, and you can set it up in an afternoon. Here's how it works. First, we use a proactive automated process to capture feedback and generate good reviews. You just ask your customers for feedback via email, capture it, publish it to your site, and gently request that they put in a good word for you on one of the online review sites. Second, you get alerts if your customers are unhappy so that you can take care of them before they leave a poor review. You'll get a notice whenever a customer leaves feedback about your business. If the feedback isn't great, you'll have the chance to make the experience right for the customer, which it turns out is a great way to increase customer loyalty. And finally, wouldn't it be great if the software was easy to implement and seamless to use, no matter how many locations your business has? It is. Once you complete the 3-step setup process, we'll provide you with all the tools you'll need, including a dashboard, email templates, and customization options. If you don't have a point-of-sale system, we'll get you going with a turnkey email capture mechanism. Your B&B is transcendent. Your marketing should be too. So why not try a solution created by software industry experts in Silicon Valley with deep knowledge of local online marketing and years of experience helping companies grow their business? Want 5 stars? We'll get you 5 stars.
Visit our website, email, or call us at 1-855-YIMPROS.